just play with you.
Okay, Daniel, we got something for you today. What is it? What is it? What is it?
It's a racing car.
Oh, it's a racing car. It says HP5 Flex Racer. Okay, let me go bring a scissors to open it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I get the scissors now.
Yes, you got scissors.
Hi kids, don't use scissors. Make sure an adult use it for you.
Is it used for
Yeah,
you?
so stay safe. Appa open it for you. Come back and check it, okay?
Yeah.
Is it open now?
Yeah.
Okay, pull it out. That's the. Come on. Okay, that's the empty box. That's how it came. It's like, see, 9 miles per hour, which is 14 kilometer per hour. So it's a very good speed one. It needs 3 AAA batteries and 2 AA batteries.
Double A batteries.
Yes, that's the box. So we put that box back there so you could see. We bought this in Toys R Us. So it's available in Toys R Us. If I'm not wrong, it's about 20 pounds, 19 pounds or something. That's the instruction, I think. Let's cut this open now. Oh no, you need a screwdriver. Appa go and bring a screwdriver now, okay?
Yeah.
Tamba, wait. Appa go bring a screwdriver. What is that? What's the instruction says?
And it's in take another car in another car.
Okay.
And to take the batteries off.
Okay.
And it's in more batteries.
Okay.
And it's in this screwdriver.
Uh-huh.
And it's in this and this in
Okay. Now we need to
the
open these and put batteries.
and put batteries. It's get open.
Yeah. That is the remote control. Show it to everyone. What's in remote control?
Then it go and forward and backwards.
Uh-huh. And
And
that's to turn left and right.
and it's in the reverse.
Okay.
And the turn left and right.
And left. Okay, good boy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. So you take these off. It's come now. So that's rubbish. It has to go to the rubbish bin. I've take it off. That is the racing car. So we need to get battery for them.
Yeah. We need
So I'll go and get the batteries. Tamba, read the instructions, okay?
yeah.
Papa go and get the batteries now.
It's coming now.
Okay, I've got the batteries for you now. Have you read the instructions?
And yeah.
What does it say? Take the instruction and let me know how to put the batteries.
Yeah. Let me have to put. I got the screwdriver.
Yeah, this is not a screwdriver, it's kind of a screwdriver.
Yeah, it's kind of.
I couldn't find the screwdriver straight away, so I had to get these, okay?
Yeah.
So we need these AAA batteries.
Yeah.
Goes in the car.
Put the batteries in the car, please. Put the batteries in the cars.
Yeah.
Put the batteries in the car.
That goes this way. Another one. Another one. Okay.
Maybe maybe it's a very cold car.
It is a very cool car, yes.
Yeah,
It's
the
a
very
very-
scary.
Very cool and very fast. It can drive up to 9 miles per hour. Let's put the battery for the remote control now. Where do we put the battery for these? It's up down here.
That's on here. How can you put the batteries on them?
Yes.
And how can you send instructions and the Toys R Us and the batteries? How can you batteries in them? How can you batteries in the put them?
Yes.
How can you batteries to put them?
So we need to have 2 double A's. That's there. That goes there.
Let's go there.
Okay, I'll take these instructions off. Let's switch on the car. It's on now. And let's switch on
Let's reach on.
the remote. Does it have a switch on, turn off switch? No, it doesn't. Let's see. Yes.
Can I?
That is a fast car. Uh-oh, reverse. That is a very fast car, isn't it? Reverse. Oh God, it's fast. Do you like it? You had a big monster truck day before yesterday. I was this one. And you got this one now. Okay. You had a good birthday.
Whoa! Thanks for watching for Dinosaur Review. Please subscribe my channel for toy review. Goodbye! Thank you for Dinosaur Review. Please subscribe and the channel. Goodbye!